Yo, what's up everybody, Tony here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another dance tutorials for beginners. Before we start the routine together guys, I remember you to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and don't be selfish guys. Share this video, don't keep all the secrets for yourself. Share the secret of tutting with other people. Remember guys that the video is mirrored, so this is my right and this is my left, okay? Much more easier for you to follow me. Let's start with our first move. So we're gonna go here, 1 and 2. Pretty simple and straight, okay? And then we're gonna continue here, 3. As always guys, try to make it like pretty straight and clean, okay? In 90 degrees, okay? So from here again, 7 and 1, 2 and 3. So what's gonna happen now is the left one is just gonna follow the right one with the same move, just in a different timing. So we're gonna go 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so basically the left one just gonna go here 1 and 2. Okay, so and the right one gonna 1, 2, 3. But together it's gonna look like this. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, so from top 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. From here, we are basically pretty open with our arms, okay? So we are not here, but we are pretty open with our arms. So from here, just close and let your left arms go behind the right one and cross. Clap, here. From here, close and change. Bam. Okay? From here, the left one gonna go up and down. So you're gonna close here. Clap. So again from top, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? From here, the right one gonna go up. So 1 is gonna go down here, 2, and 3 gonna follow the arms, the left arms until it reach the elbow. Okay? So from here, ta-da, and open. Okay? So from here to here, clap. Okay? One more time again from top. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, inside 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, open, down, slide, open. From here, the right one gonna slide up and slide out, so it follows the shape of your arm, okay? Clap. And the left one is follow down, inside, and the right one gonna close. Clap. So keep your hands like on this shape, okay? On the 90 degree and just close down. Clap. Boom, boom. Okay? So one more time again from the top. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Okay? So from here, we're gonna go 2, open, and 3, king tut position. So from here, roll your hands up and push outside. Clack. So you go in this position, okay? So from here, whoop. So don't stay like this like pigeon, okay? So just try to keep always the angles, the 90 degrees, boom. Okay, like Egyptian style, king tut. So from here, outside, okay, my hands are cut, never mind. And then we go down, okay? So thinking about that your elbows have to stay as far as possible from your body, okay? So not like this, but up, okay? Imagine like that we're pushing out, okay? So from here, your hands changing from this to this, okay? So from this to this, okay? So you can see. And this is actually, is also the second position for the waving, okay? So when you do waving, like this is the position that you should get, ta-da-da, or so you do like this, okay? So from here, we're almost done. Roll inside your hands, pack. So you will find yourself this position and zoom, bam, pray position. And that was the last step of the routine. So let's try one more time from top, everything. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, quinta. 4, push, change, roll, and. Okay? So, let's try on the music. Again, our lovely free copyright song, because you know of YouTube copyright. And 5, 6, 7, 8. That was the routine for today. Guys, you can try to challenge yourself and do the combo on a different tempo or so faster, or if you prefer, you can try on a different song. Before we go, I remember you again to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video to share all the tutting secrets. I'll see you to the next tutorial. Peace!